Hey, good morning, friends. My name is Josh, and welcome to Crypto Weeklies. Today, we are going to discuss about Ethereum versus Bitcoin from a market cap perspective. So let's just get started. So, as you know, Ethereum and Bitcoin are both uh, the leaders of cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin being the number one cryptocurrency by market cap, while Ethereum being the number two cryptocurrency by market cap for many years. So on this chart, you can see a number and a Fibonacci retracement area and a line. So I will explain what these numbers means. First of all, to your right, you can see there is a number called 0.45, and this is the Ethereum's market cap, about 200 billion divided by Bitcoin's market cap, somewhere between 400 and 450 billion as of today. So if you divide those market caps, you see that Ethereum's market cap is currently at 0.45, so about less than a half of Bitcoin's market cap. And I will tell you why this number is important and this metric is important, because Ethereum and Bitcoins both have a different issuance schedule, uh, and also they are traded based on different metrics. So that's why it is key to know where the market cap of Ethereum uh, is as divided by Bitcoin's market cap. So that gives us a perspective that how far has Ethereum came from its historical market cap compared to Bitcoin. So on the chart, you can see that there is a area color coded essentially from red to almost gray. So that the way these color codes are working are based on probability of Ethereum's market cap, floor and ceiling. The floor is at 1 and ceiling is at 0. By the time uh, this, these ranges describe what's the probability that Ethereum can exceed the number 0.55, that is like be 55% of Bitcoin's market cap. So far since 2020, we haven't seen Ethereum exceed 55% level, so that's why the probability is 0. As you move down, the probabilities kind of increase. So you can see that since 2021 till about now, Ethereum has traded most of its time uh, in this area of between 55% and 45% of Bitcoin's market cap. That's why the probability that it will stay in that region is about 0.23. That's 23% probability. Slowly, as you move down, the probability from here till yellow increases, because the probability that the price or the market cap stays between 55% to 38%, or 38% to 55% is about, again, coincidentally 38%. So this the indicator is important because, as you can see, the blue line, which is essentially the trend line of Bitcoin's market cap compared to Ethereum's market cap compared to Bitcoin's market cap, has been slowly following this trend of increasing since 2020, but it is now come up to this to the end of its trend line. So by that I mean the current market cap trajectory is coming close to its trend line. So, and that we have seen that happen before once in June of 2022. So this is again another sign that uh, Ethereum is kind of at a pivotal moment. So that's why these probabilities will help you determine what could be the downside for Ethereum and what's the probability of those downsides being realized. So let's say if tomorrow or like in coming days, if this trend gets broken down to the downside, which is like opposite of this scenario where this trend uh, line was held and Ethereum's price rallied against this trend line. Let's say tomorrow, in a few days from now, if Ethereum's price breaks this trend line to the downside, these probabilities will help you determine what would be the probability of Ethereum's market cap lowering, and what are some of this resistance levels in the future. So this indicator would help determine the further downside for Ethereum market cap, and this market cap, if you divide it by the issuance of Ethereum, you can find price. By that I mean, let's do an exercise. So let's say the current price of Ethereum is around $1,500. So if Ethereum's market cap becomes, let's say, 33% or 33% or 1/3 of Bitcoin's market cap. Let's say Bitcoin stays at 450 billion, whereas Ethereum's is 1/3, that is 150 billion as opposed to 200 billion. So 150 billion divided by Ethereum's circulating supply of 120 million. So that would give us 150 billion divided by 120 million is about $1,200. So that's how these numbers might help you. This is just a rough calculation. And again, I want to stress that none of the content is actually a financial advice. It's more for sharing my perspective, which might help you do your own research on it. So thank you for watching this video. I hope it helped you, and I'll keep on making videos related to crypto and probably stocks in future. So please stay connected to the channel by either subscribing to Crypto Weeklies or searching Crypto Weeklies keyword in YouTube. Thank you and have a nice day.